All right. So the highlight for the day to start the week is not necessarily anything that happened in the market, but it's a general point that I made that I want to make it again because repetition is not only important, it's imperative in trying to learn and keep a skill. Repetition. And so the point that I made in the trading room to all you guys and now people watching this on YouTube is it's okay to take losing trades if you're supposed to take the trade. All right. Let's just say you take a short and later on the market breaks. You take the short here. You decide I'm going to take a short and the market rallies up and you're like, why did I take that short? Well, what did you ask yourself when you took it? What were the questions that you said, I'm going to get short here? And some of the questions you have to ask that have to be part of your progression is, did the market break a lot? And you should be able to define a lot given the context of the day. Before I decide to get short, how much did the market come down? Because the thing is that if it came down a lot, then you're getting short potentially in what we call the hole, and you won't see that until after it rallies. So remember, what makes trading harder than what people realize is because in real time, it's much different and looks a lot different than it does after the fact. So you got to get better at training yourself to ask the right questions in real time to give you better predictive powers. If the market breaks 7 handles and on a day where it's slow, like this morning it was, 7 points is a big move. It's okay to get short. It's not okay to get short without asking the question, how long or how far is the rubber band stretched? A lot. Because the answer now to that question is, all right, I just better keep my risk to a minimum because, and I want to be right ASAP, or I want to get out of this trade because of the notion that I'm looking over my shoulder and seeing this market already broke 7 points, which means there's a lot more people that are better than you that are short better than you. What do shorts want to do? What shorts have to do at some point? Shorts up here have to buy it to cover their to cover that trade. And in this case, if you're short from up here and you look to cover down here, you're a buyer taking profit. You could be selling it to them, getting short yourself, and you don't want to get stuck in the hole. Now, you don't know it's a hole because sometimes the market moves down, you get short, and it keeps going down. But you still have to ask yourself, how much patience am I going to have? And the fact that it already moved 7 points and now you want to get short, it's okay to take it. It's not okay to stay short and then say, I'm wrong way up there. These are trades you want to take a minimal amount of heat or risk based on the concept of context. And it's a simple question. I want to get short. I look over my shoulder and I see it already broke a lot. Why didn't I want to get short up here? Maybe you could have asked. Maybe there was no reason to get short up there. But I guarantee you some people did. And I'm not talking people out of ever opening a position. I mean, who the hell am I to tell you you're wrong? I am telling you to make sure you're asking the right questions so that it'll help you directly manage your risk. And overall, if you're not supposed to take this damn trade, then you shouldn't have taken it, period. Forget about any questions you ask. And we talk about your setup bucket, your idea bucket. If you know you're taking a trade outside your idea, well, you got to get not good, not better. You got to get great at eliminating trades that aren't supposed to be inside of here. So what happens is the more trades you take outside your idea, the more trades you miss when your idea surfaces. So not only are you taking trades you're not supposed to be taking, but you're missing trades you're supposed to be taking. All of this is a progression of not asking the right questions. Is this a trade I'm supposed to take? How much did the market come down before I'm selling it? How much did it rally before I'm buying it? How much risk should I take? How much time should I give this trade? All those things will help you identify in real time whether or not you should take the damn trade anyways. And don't think that losers are bad. Sometimes they are, and sometimes you're going to need to eliminate them. Sometimes you're supposed to take them. Know the difference, but stop looking for the right answer and start looking for the right question. That's what's important. Stay safe.